So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Hercules in Total Battle. Now in order to get Hercules, you will need to buy a specific sequence of real money packages inside your Triumphal Challenge sales event. So in order to get to that Triumphal Challenge, you will need to get to that specific sale as it says here, so you can get to your sales. So you will need to get inside that Triumphal Challenge event. So it's a specific event that happens from time to time. So you can see total development, from battles to resources to extra. So you can see some specific stuff that can be gotten there. So you can change kingdom, open portals, change the avatars, protect cities. So there's a lot of different options here, but what I suggest is that you wait for that specific sale. So you can see for a sale for development advantage, activate some offers. So it's going to pop up for specifically for Hercules, so you can access it there. Once that's all done, you can then switch between your specific special captains, so you can acquire them like that. But as I mentioned, you can't do it just by playing the in-game stuff. You will need to use real money within that specific sale that's going to pop up, and then you can be one of the lucky users to get Hercules. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.